In this question, we're going to be needing some new concepts. So pay attention. In a society, it is customary for friends of the same sex to hug, and for friends of opposite sex to shake hands when they meet. A group of friends meet in a party, and there were 24 handshakes. Handshakes. That means it is of opposite sex. Which among the following numbers indicate the possible number of hugs? They're asking possible number of hugs, so there are some combinations possible. It indicates. Okay, so for this, you need two concepts. One is factorization, which I told you before. Like in this example, in this question, there is 24 given. You need to be able to factorize this and tell the factors of it. So how much is it? 2 2s are, then 2 6 are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. I hope you know this. Then you can write it like this. Now what are the possible combinations? Suppose you take 2 first. Then what is the remaining here? 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So this is one combination. If you multiply these two, you're going to get 24. Right? These are the two factors. Sorry, मुझे थोड़ा जुकाम हो गया. Bear with me. 2 into 2 is 4. Then 3 into 2 is 6. 24. Then 8. Okay, take these 3. 8 you get. The remaining is 3. 24. If you multiply these two, you're going to get 24. Then you take everything. Everything if you get take, you get 24. And then 1. Again 24. So these are this concept you will going to be needing for this question. Okay, this factorizing to tell the number of factors possible. So like these combinations are possible. Okay, this is one concept. Another concept is permutation and combination. In permutation and combination, we will not be needing permutation in this problem. We'll be needing combination, but I'll tell you in brief what is permutation. Permutation means arrangement. Okay, combination means selection. Arrangement means how many ways you can arrange them. Let's say for example 1 2 3. How many ways can you arrange them? 1 2 3, 1 3 2, then 2 3 1, 2 1 3, 3 1 2, then 3 2 1. So how many ways are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 ways are possible for arranging them. Okay, to find this number 6. Okay, number of ways possible. How many numbers are there? 3 are there, no? So just do 3 factorial. That is 3 into 2 into 1. Just reduce the number by 1 and multiply them. So you're going to get 6. Okay, na? 6 6. So this is arrangement. We will not be needing this concept. We will need combinations. For combination, no. Let's say combination is nothing but selection. How many ways you can select it? Let's say there are 2 people. Okay, how many ways can you select them? Considering you are going to select only one person, you will select this guy or you will select this guy, right? So 2 ways are possible if you're going to select only one guy. If you're going to select 2 people here, how many selections are possible among these 2 people? If you select 2 people, only one way is possible, right? Now let's take a bigger example. Let's say there are 4 students. How many ways are possible to select one student? Let's say I'll select this guy, or I'll select this guy, or I'll select this guy, or I'll select this guy. So how many possible ways are there? 4 ways are there. Okay, now let's say I want to select 2 students out of these 4 people. How many ways are possible? I can select these 2, then I can select these 2, then I can select these 2, right? Then I can select this 2, then I can select these 2. Any other possibility? I can select these 2, right? How many possible ways now? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 ways are possible if I'm going to select two students. Right, now this is a very cumbersome process to do this manually. So for that we have a formula or representation. Here how many students are there? 4, right? Now this is combination, so we write C here, right? 4 at the top, C at the bottom, and then how many students we're selecting? 2 students, so just write 2 here. Okay, this is a representation of this combination. How do we simplify this? 4 is there, no? You have to decrease the number by 4, okay, and then multiply it. How many number of times? 2 times. Okay, like you have to decrease 4 by 1 time, it will become 3, and multiply them. Now this is 1 time, this is 2 times. This 2 is represented here. Okay, how many times you need to decrease? And this 2, no, you need to just multiply from 1 into 2, that's all. Just increase the number 1 by 1 time, and how many the number of times you need to increase is given in here at the base. Okay, another example would be like, let's say 5c2. How do you do this? 5, decrease the number by 1, okay, then divided by, here 2 is there, no, so you just have to do till 2. Let's take one more example, 5c3. How do you do this? 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 3 is there, so start from 1, then 2 into 3. Okay, another example, 6c4. How do you do this? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Okay, this thing is represented here, and 6 you have to decrease how many times? 4 times. Okay, so this is how you can simplify this. Now this one is also a very cumbersome process, this 6c4. See how big numbers are, like it's getting very tedious to multiply this and divide this. So in combination there is a formula. If you get a big number, let's say like 12c11, now how will you do this? You can't keep on writing like this, 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, like this. You cannot keep on writing and divide by 1 into 2 into 3, like that, so on till 11. This is very tedious, no? So what we can do is, there's a formula. This is equal to 12 minus 11, that is 12c1. Okay, this minus this, you just do this, so this value will be equal to 12c1. 12c1 is what? 12 divided by divided by 1. Answer is 12. Okay, in order to avoid a tedious process of dividing and multiplying, you can just apply this formula. It's an identity in combinations. Another example I'll give. 6c4. How do you simplify this? 6c, 6 minus 4. How much is it? 6c2. 6c2 is how much? 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. Okay, if you simplify this, you're going to get 15. Like that. Got it? This is combinations. I hope you understood this. People find this topic really confusing. Okay, I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, tell me. Now let's solve the question. What is this? In a society, it is customary for friends of the same sex to hug and an opposite sex to shake hands. Okay, in a group of friends meet, there were 24 handshakes. 24 handshakes means it is of the opposite sex. So male and then female is there. Some males are there and then some females are there. Right, they are going to handshake. Right, we need to find the number of males here and the number of females here. So there are how many handshakes? 24 handshakes. So what are the combinations possible? We already saw the factorization method for this. 2 1s are 2 6 are 3 2s are and 2 1s are. So what is the possible? If I take 2 here, then I'm going to get 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Then if I take 4 here, then I'm going to get 6 here. If I take 12 here, I'm going to get 2 here. Right, if I take 24 here, I'm going to get 1 here. Right, let's visualize this. Now suppose there are 2 males. Yeah, if I need 24 handshakes, how many females do I need? I need 12, no? Because the first male will handshake with the 12 females and get 12 handshakes, and the second male will handshake with the 12 females. Another 12 handshakes will be possible, so leading to 24. Similarly 4 also, 4 and 6, 12 and 2, 24 and 1. Got it? Sorry. Now we need to find the possible number of hugs. Right, for getting hugs, hug is possible only between same sex. So it is male and male or female and female. Okay, so here let's take the first combination. 2 males and 12 females. Among 2 males, how many hugs are possible? Between 2 males, only one hug is possible. So how do we write that? 2 males are there. We are going to select 2 males out of that to get one hug. Right? So we are selecting 2 males out of 2 males here, plus then 12 females are there. 12C2. Okay, because you need 2 females for getting one hug. So out of 12 females, we are selecting 2 females to get that hug. How many combinations possible? Okay, so how much is this? 2C2 is nothing but 2 minus 2 you can do, which is nothing but 2C0. 2C0 is 1. Okay, 2C2 or 2C0, everything is 1. It's an identity which you should remember. Okay, then 12C2 is how much? How did I tell you this? How to do this? 12 into 11 by 1 into 2. So how much is this? 2 into 2 6 or 66. 66 plus 1 is 67. Is this given in the option? No. So they're asking possible. No, this is also a possibility, 67, but it is not given in the option. So we need to find one more combination here. Let's see 4 and 6. Among 4 males, if 2 males are selected for giving hug, okay, or among the 6 females, if 2 females are selected for giving hug, then what is the combination here? Or simplification, 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 plus 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. So this is 6 and this is 15. How much is the answer? 21. Is 21 there in the answer? Yeah, it is there. So this is the possible 4 and 6. Okay, another possibility is 12 and 2. 12 and 2 is what? 12C2 plus 2C2. 2C2 is 1, 12C2 is what? 12 into 11 by 1 into 2. 66. Again 67 will come. Another combination is 24 and 1. No, this one is not possible because only one female is there here. One female cannot hug herself. I think we missed out one more here. Oh wait, these two are same only. We missed out one more. 8 and 3. 8 and 3 में 8C2 and 3C2. How much going to be? 8 into 7 by 1 into 2. Then 3 into 2 by 1 into 2. How much is this? 28 plus 3, that is 31. So these are the possible values, 67, 21 and 31. Among this, only 21 is there in the option, so 21 is the right answer. Okay, I hope you understood this.